Okay. So, navigation. We want to get rid of these bullets because we don't need them. List, style, type, none. No more bullets. We also want it to be horizontal instead of just listed out like this. So, display, inline. Oh. Maybe not. We'll say that for the list items. But what we do want is our navigation be over here, right next to French fries. And to do that, we're going to want to float it right. Okay? Notice we're having a problem with our float not being cleared. We're going to do our nice little trick that we learned to clear our float. Overflow hidden. There we go. Because header is containing navigation. See? Navigation, header. Okay? Let's set a width. Nope, let's not. Let's set a margin. 15 pixels on the top and bottom, and nothing on the side. That looks good. Now let's style our list items. Navigation. Navigation. Okay. Notice I'm saying I want to style the list items inside navigation. List items inside navigation. Okay? I want these to be displayed in line. There we go. Just like we want it. Okay? We also want to style these links. So what we're going to do is target, navigation, the anchor tags, because those are our links. We want to make these buttons instead of just text links. So what we can do is change the background color. And we'll change it to this. Okay? And we will change the padding to 10 pixels. Okay? Oh! Ha! Be sure you spell things right. There we go. Okay. We want to get rid of this underline here. To get rid of the underline, we want to change how the text is decorated. Text decoration. And we want to set it to none, because we don't want underlined. Alright? And we want to change the text color of this to be black. We'll just do this. 100% black. And we want to put a border on these. On all the sides. 1 pixel, solid. And we like this color. It's a good color. Okay? These are our buttons now. nothing happens when you roll over them. Buttons should do something when you roll over them. What we're going to do is do a little pseudo class. Now a pseudo class is for doing hover effects using CSS. Okay? Now, in all the other browsers, you can apply hover effects to pretty much any element. But Internet Explorer, sadly, only supports hover elements on anchors. Spoiling the fun, aren't you, Internet Explorer? Alright, well, a pseudo class looks like this. You've got the name of the element, and then a colon, and then what you want it to do. We want something to happen when we hover on our anchor tags. And when we hover over it, we want to change the background color. And we're going to change it to this. And you'll notice when we hover over it, we get a nice roll over effect. There. Alright, so alright. Now we need to make this on the same line as our header. And we need to float this header left, so this will come up on the side. So, here we go. Header H1. Because we're targeting this header, or this H1 in this header. Alright. So we want it to be displayed. Because we don't want it to be a block element. We want to float this left, and we want to set a width. 200 pixels. Alright. Let's change this back to 5, see what happens. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay. So, here's our header with our navigation.